based sa experience ko, hindi pa naman ako nasaksi, but yung 3 days water fasting is really, really good. I mean, before, every time na nasa loob ako ng bahay, I feel so upset, really heavy in my heart. But after doing the 3 days water fasting, parang ang gaan-gaan. Bali kumain na nga pala ako like 1,000 calories today. Kaninang umaga, fruits at yogurt, monat soup. And then right now, steak, vegetables, chicken, and sausage. And some potato. So, sabi ko, oh, busog na busog ako. At least, yung half ng steak, hindi ko naubos. Bigay ko kay Blue. And then, yeah, I think the mental health, even though marami kang iniisip, marami kang problema, and then yung puso mo, sa mental health, much better. Hindi masyado nag-iisip-isip. But, in the heart is still heavy, but tolerable. But right now, I cannot still talk to my family kasi hindi ko mapaliwanag. So, kahapon nga pala is not a good day for me. Marami akong mga suicidal thoughts, which is not good. But then again, I pray to God a lot of times. I read some Bible verses. It helps me a lot. And I talk to someone. I mean, siguro kailangan ko ng kausap. Kasi lagi tayong mag-isa dito. Kung tatanungin ninyo, yes, hindi ako nakakapagtrabaho kasi close work permit ako, terminate ako without a cause, and then later on, they change it with the cause. Is still ongoing ang pag-appeal. Ayoko na i-disclose sa mga pangyayari kasi sensitibo ito. But, only God can do everything. So, yung 3 days water fasting, hindi lang yung katawan ko ang nag-benefit, kundi yung pag-iisip ko at connection ko kay God. Yes, but right now, baka hapon, sobrang heavy ng aking damdamin. Heavy, heavy, heavy. As in, parang hindi ako iiyak, walang tumutulong luha, hanggang isang click, biglang humagulhol ako ng iyak. I mean, what's that? But, it's good. And then right now, binrake ko na yung ating water fasting. I think tomorrow, it's either magwa 1 meal a day ako or 2 meal a day with little calories, or mag-fasting ako the whole day and then the next day kain ng regular and then fasting. Let's see kung ano man ang sabihin ng ating katawan. Kasi right now, I'm full. And then yung 2 days natin nung nakaraan na hindi nag-succeed, it helps me a lot. Yun yung pinakamahirap, yung paano magsisimula, yun yung pinakamahirap. Pero after that, everything's good. So, this time, like easy-easy lang, okay lang. Sabi ni Cory, bumaho yung hininga ko. But ngayon daw okay na. So, kahapon magkikeme-keme sana kami. Aba, bigla akong tinulak. Hindi ko lang kung bakit. Tapos, biglang nanlambaut. Sabi ko, why? Tapos hindi lang siya umimik. And then after that, sabi ko, may kasi hindi ko naamoy. Parang mabaho ang hininga ko. And sabi niya, oo, mabaho nga. Kaya nga tinulak kita.